One of the things you may want to do in Google Classroom is to be able to keep tabs on what assignments are coming due, what assignments are already due that you might have missed and still need to turn in, and other things like that. Now, one of your options is to go to each individual class individually. So you can see over here in Mr. Rothy's class, I can see quickly what's going to be due today. But to avoid having to go class by class by class and instead kind of check everything all at once, Google Classroom has this to do feature that is really the thing that you're going to want to check out. So if you come over here and you click on to do in the upper left hand corner, it gives you a little to do list. So let's quickly talk about the navigation. Up here at the top, we have three tabs: assigned, missing, and done. Right now, I'm looking at all of the work that is assigned. You'll see I have 38 assignments that are assigned, but I have not done yet. And these do not have any due date. So if I click over here on this down arrow, I'll be able to see the things that are assigned that don't have a specific due date. Now, anything that does have a due date will be organized into either this week, next week, or later. So I can check and see, hey, what's the stuff that's due this week that I haven't turned in yet? And you'll see over here I have a weekly reflection in Mr. Rothy's class, and that's due today by the end of the day. Next week, I have two assignments that are coming up. I have science vocabulary, and that's in this class, and then a research project in this class. This is due on Tuesday, and this is due on Friday. So this is a good way to keep track of what's due in all of my different classes. And you'll notice they're color-coded here. Each different class gets a different color, and that's one thing that'll allow you to kind of keep track of your assignments. Now, what if you want to check missing work? You can head up here to the missing tab. And this will give you a few different areas here. You have things that are missing from this week, things that are missing from last week, and things that are missing from even earlier than that. You'll see I have nothing missing from this week, nothing missing from last week, but I have 10 post-due assignments from earlier than just the last 2 weeks. So this is a good way to go in and make sure that you don't have any missing assignments and make sure that you get all of those caught up. And finally, if you want to showcase for your parents what you have done, or you just want to check and see what assignments have you already knocked off the list, you can head over here to the Done tab. You'll notice over here, I've even done one of my assignments early. I had to read for 30 minutes. I have turned that one in, and it's in the Done Early category because I've already got that complete. And you'll be able to see a tally of all of the other assignments that you've already done this week, last week, or even earlier than that. All right, so check out the To-Do tab, and it'll give you all this information. One other quick tip: if you're not sure how to get to the To-Do tab, or you're in a classroom and you just want to get there really quickly, you can always go up to the hamburger button in the upper left-hand corner. Click this. And then inside this area, one of the top options here is To Do. So you can click that and jump straight over to do if you're already on this classroom page or in a specific classroom.